Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to program your VW Passat key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. This guide will walk you through using your ignition and the driver's side door to successfully sync your new key. To begin, insert a previously programmed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Immediately remove the key within 5 seconds. Next, open the driver's side door and leave it open throughout this step. This action prepares your vehicle to accept new key fob signals. Now, insert the new key fob you wish to program into the ignition and turn it to the on position. While holding the key in this position, press and hold the unlock button on the new fob for approximately 2 seconds. Release the button, then remove the key. Repeat this exact step for any other new key fobs you need to program. Once all key fobs have been programmed, remove all keys from the ignition. Close the driver's side door firmly. Now, it's time to test each key fob individually to ensure all buttons, like lock and unlock, are working correctly. If any fob isn't functioning as expected, simply repeat the entire programming sequence from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.